And there you have it, guys. Houses of the World number 3, fully built. This thing is kind of smaller than I thought it was going to be, actually. It's got a few details on the inside. It's got a little bed. It's got a little weight bench up there on the second floor. Then if we take, let's see if we can take off this piece on the bottom floor. It's got a little couch and a fireplace and a little log table, and maybe that looks like maybe a coffee maker there in the corner. Then an actual piece of cheese on a cheese wedge. And then a little picture. Of course, that's a sticker. Man, I tell you, I hate stickers so much here lately. It's just like everything is a sticker, sticker, sticker. It's like, man. So that's all you're going to get on the inside of there. And then we can take a little better look at the upstairs here. Like I said, there's a weight bench. There's a little bed there and a clock on the wall. And so this thing is technically modular because you can take off the roof and take off separate the floors. But got a little chimney there on the roof. And I like the roof structure. That was cool to build. And then the shutters there on the windows, those are all stickers, of course. You got those on the side too. And then all the flowers on the front. And then these little wood, makes it look like a wood cache or stash or whatever you want to call it. 1x1 rounds that are actually printed. So those weren't stickers. And then you got the little barrel there with the ski, whatever you call those, ski sticks. A little light there in the front. So this is kind of medium micro scale. It's not the micro scale like some of the architecture sets are, but it's not minifigure scale either. So it's like somewhere in between, because that door, is is a little bit bigger than micro scale. I mean, it could almost fit a minifigure in there, but not quite. Nothing that you can. I mean, you could technically put it in your city, maybe far away, so it doesn't look like it's, looks like it should be this, looking at this scale. But I don't know. I think these are more of just a display unit than anything else. So there's a good look at the inside. There's a collection of these. There's 4 of them all together. They've issued 3. This is Houses of the World 3. I have actually not built the other 2. But to get this in the U.S., you have to spend $250 or more to get this gift with purchase. I actually got 4 of them because I've spent quite a bit over the last couple of weeks. So just wanted to build this and give you guys a quick little review. And like I said, you're going to spend $250 to get it, but it is a cool little gift with purchase. So I like it. So that's going to be it for this review. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Let's talk about Lego. I'm Andy. You guys have a good one. See ya.